Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, and that means we have another review. So let's see who this is from. Get rid of our bag here. All kind of stucketed. Alright, this is from a new store that I have never done a review for. This is for ColorfulDIY, and they have diamond painting and cross stitch, and I just got cross stitch from them. So, wow, don't know what all that writing's for. Let me take it out of the bag here. All kind of mooshed. They put them in those lightweight bags and everything kind of gets scrunched down. Oh, we're just going to have to open this bag. There we go. Isn't that a cute picture? I just love that little orange cat and those two birds. Aren't they beautiful? Nice fall colors. I'd never seen this pattern before. I don't know if it's new or not. The picture kind of got mooshed up in the bag. It does come with a printed pattern. Let me see what's going on here. This one's a bit different. It's a little bit wider. It is a 55 by 50. Never saw it on 2 pages. And it is still kind of small. The key is nice and big, but this would definitely have to be pulled up, you know, blown up a little bit. Now this one was $9.99, and it does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It has 26 colors and the beautiful colors running down the side. Very nice, easy to read this part, but boy, this is very, very small. I don't know if they didn't have 2 pages, but I've never seen it done quite like that. That's a bit different, huh? Okay. For them, you know, because I've never seen them do that. Of course, you know, I don't have all the kits, but yeah, isn't that a beautiful picture? And it's a nice picture here on front. So they're getting that part down. At least it's not blurred and that kind of thing. So very beautiful. Let's take a look at the colors here. Whoops, I'm going to get everybody undone. Make sure there's no big hunks of thread. Let me turn it around. Hang on, there's a wad of material. Now this is a 14 count. So, yeah, look at those beautiful colors. All the browns and the autumn colors. Just absolutely stunning colors. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Does have the product thing here. Sometimes they write it, sometimes they don't. And they always write their 9s backwards. I don't get it. So I would probably take a magic marker and, you know, Sharpie and write the product number on the back. So, very beautiful. Nice, dark, rich, beautiful colors. I love these oranges. And that red, looks like 815 or something like that. 815, 812, 8, yeah, I can't remember what one is the red one. But lots of beautiful threads. Just screams autumn. Let's take a look at the canvas. There are 3 needles right there. And I'm not worried that the canvas is a little scrunched. I'm going to scrunch it myself, you know, when I, you know, get ready to do it, because I can't hold it all in my hands. It is kind of stiff. It is not serged. Nice, big, beautiful key. All the colors are nice and dark on the canvas. Very easy to read. It doesn't look too terribly confettied, that I think. Maybe over here in this wood, and when you get to trees, you know, it kind of goes nuts. But not a whole lot of bad confetti. It's not like every third one is, you know, something else. Oh my goodness, that just drives me insane. Okay, it is 55. That's what it said it would be. By, let's see if I can get it flat enough here. By 48.5. So it's not quite as wide as it said it would be. The actual picture size is approximately 45.5, which is about 18 inches by 39.5, which is about 15.5. So yeah, just beautiful. You know, I'm sorry that it's all kind of scrunched, but you know, that's not going to be here nor there. Just flatten it out. Try not to iron. I wouldn't, in my brain, I'm thinking no iron because that might create moisture where this might all smear. So just go with it, you know. Now, like I said, I crunch up my fabric, you know, kind of like this, and then crunch it really hard and get it softened up a bit. It is a nice heavy-duty canvas, so it'll be fine. It's not going to hurt your picture one bit because in the end, you're going to put this in lukewarm water or cool water, and all this printing is going to go away. So, yeah, just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I like how it's darkly printed and all the symbols are nice and easy to read. But yeah, just beautiful. Just beautiful. I can deal with that. Yep, I can. All right, and the next one, I'm going to open it up and show you because the paper is folded. Let me get it out of there. It does come with a kit. Has a needle threader, 5 needles, a poof ball, and a thimble. And we have the blossom again. Whether it's peach or plum blossom, not sure. Not having ever grown peaches. But there is the cute picture. Now you remember I got the summer house. I think it was the summer house or the autumn house. But I just thought they were kind of cute and whimsical. And that gray is going to be your background. So it is full coverage. Does have the product number. It has how big it is. 40 by 55. And it's 148 by 213. 213 squares, if I could just talk. So yeah, nice, big, easy to read pattern. I think you could read it. 32 colors. Does have the colors running down the side. There is a itty bitty teeny tiny picture there. This paper pattern will match your canvas. It has no 310. It has 550 purple. No 939. No 3371. It does have 3865. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of cute and different. And I like these little houses. I think, now I'm not sure, but I know they have the winter one and the autumn one, so I don't know if they have spring and summer as well. They're, you know, but they're fairly new, I think, because I've never seen them before. And I've looked through a lot of kits. And I go through a lot of kits, so yeah. Now that background may have to part ways. Because, I don't know. You know, being Christmas. I don't know. It depends how white that white is. As to whether or not I do the background. Does that make sense? Yeah. Just beautiful. It does have instructions. Full page instructions. On what to do. How to start. How to finish. How to wash it. Let's take a look at all these beautiful, yummy colors. There we go, get that out of the way. So it comes with 3 hanks of 415 gray. Isn't that pretty? It is a pretty color, gray. I just don't know how all this is going to translate to that. You know, I don't know. Or coincide. Do you know what I mean? Let me shake it down. Get everybody unattached. If I could get everything to go straight. But yeah, look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors that are in there. I think it's fun to work with all the different colors. I think it's beautiful. Look at all those bright, vivid pinks, reds, orange, coral. I mean, you name it. There's a lot of reds in this, or red tones and oranges, a few yellows, a little bit of gold, and some purples. So yeah, I thought it just had everything you needed. I'm going to put that in there. But when you put those together, aren't they beautiful? Just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now this kit was $10.99. It's called Winter House. I'd call it Christmas House. It has little lollipops and stuff. And it's long and skinny. Again, does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square across the top. Nice, big, easy to see key. It is serged all the way around. And the serging is not in the numbers. So that's very nice. Very dark. I'm going to do it that way. Very darkly printed, you know, symbols and everything. Just beautiful. I'm just not sold on the gray. So, I don't know. Somewhere I may have some 3865 that you could do maybe the background with. I'm just not real sure. So, yeah. Let's see how big it is. You know, it's a conundrum. You know how I hate big areas that you have to stitch. It just drives me nuts. Let's see here. 52.5. Oh, no. The whole thing is 56 by, so it's not very wide, by a tad bit over 40. The actual picture size is 34 centimeters, which is a little under 13.5 by 19.5 or 49.5. So not very big. You know, I would never be able to finish it this year. That's, you know, just not happening. But as you can see, I'll just do it real slow. So you can see the whole canvas. Yeah. So I think they're very good kits. Very good quality for, you know, the DIY. Because they're really good. And this one didn't say DIY, I don't think. Yeah, no, it didn't. So it's a no name, as far as I'm concerned. Not like it's a Joy Sunday. Very nice, stiff canvas. But yeah, I'd want to do the house and everything else before I ever started on that background. So, yeah, I think it'd be beautiful. Might have to start that one soon. I like the other one too. What can I say? Oh, it always happens. Now, Colorful DIY does have free shipping on orders over $69. Right now, they have site-wide buy 4, get 1 free. So put 5 items in your cart, and then that 5th one will be taken off. And they have cross-stitch, diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for both. They also have embroidery. They have lots of selection, especially in diamond painting. And they have a big selection of cross-stitch too. So do check them out. They have great prices, and see if you like them. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.